Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Man Pynjanai shushu ke Jingshakri ke Paidbah nong song ke India Post kala play hadu khatsan lang khandai punyo jar sanspa nyo South League Post Office Saving Bank hapo ke jeli trekam jong ke North East Postal Circle. Yamenta kidan hadu khat lak arhu pra hajar South Park khan League Postal Life Insurance but ke Rural Postal Life Insurance Policy but ke North East Circle kala pentrekam hagi sanspa League shnong hapo ke Bima Gram Yojana. Chief Postmaster General Subrat Das hak Jingshakri bat ilat pathai kubur hak shpauterik urisaw arajar arpuar uleithu bah hak Jingshakri yak wall post de kapala julong man laus nem hak khandai terik ubnai risaw ke India Post kaju ai jingtip shapang ke jingtrikam dakabar khe yak National Post Week yak balar khe nadu khandai terik urisaw arajar arpuar ter hadu ka khat saw terik urisaw arajar arpuar.
As you know, for us the word Post Day is of great significance because on this day the Universal Postal Union was set up. This is a body under the aegis of United Nations, and it consists of a committee of nations which provide universal postal service as well as premium postal service across the length and breadth of the world. Now for us, our ministry has decided that the World Postal Week, starting with the World Post Day, which was yesterday, would be celebrated with different kind of activities that would represent the post in its various activities being offered by the post office. The post, as you know, is the microcosm of the society, and there is no aspect of the social life that is not touched by the post. And the World Post Week, in fact, each day would celebrate each of this activity. Starting with yesterday, we had visual display across all our head post office and administrative offices to mark the World Post Day with kind of communication to our customers at large that we would be celebrating this week. And today is the Financial Empowerment Day. It has been the desire and the initiative of the Honorable Prime Minister that the post office would be utilized for financial empowerment of the citizens at large, and the post office is uniquely placed to provide this financial empowerment. In the Northeastern Circle, we have 350 post offices completely computerized, providing seamless services, and we have roughly around 3,000 branch offices to cover the length and breadth of the villages and the subdivisions and the tahsils, where also we are very highly IT integrated and we are in a position to provide the facilities through our IT network. So today, as we sit here, as I brief you, in our various subdivisions, in our various districts, the measures of financial empowerment are taking place. Tomorrow would be our Philately Day. The Philately, as you know, is a very old hobby, and it is still a very powerful medium, not only to convey various interest of tourism or social activities or economic activities. It is a unique medium to convey different aspects of society that we live in. So tomorrow would be our Philately Day, where we try to promote philately through opening deposit account, by organizing quizzes, by going to different schools. The day after that, we'll be having the mail and the parcel day, where we will be focusing on our customers. So it would be a twofold activity across the counters, as well as we'll have customers meet where our bulk customers will try to address their concern. And we will end it with the Antyodaya scheme or Antyodaya Day, where we would like to focus on the marginalized section of the society and how the post is a medium of their social upliftment and economic development.